Hi guys and welcome to my presentation about deine Oma. Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation about cloud computing for developers, what it is, how it works and why it's so important. Cloud computing is one of the biggest changes in the world of technology. It completely changed how we store data, build apps and run businesses. Before cloud computing, companies had to buy real physical servers, set them up in big rooms and maintain them every day. Now we can simply rent computers and tools over the internet. That's what we call the cloud. So what exactly is cloud computing? In simple words, cloud computing means using the internet to access computing resources like servers, databases, storage and applications, instead of owning it yourself. It's like you're watching Netflix instead of buying a DVD. You don't need to store or manage anything, you just use what you need when you need it. Cloud providers offer these services from data centers all over the world that are big buildings full of computers that run 24/7. You connect to them over the internet and they handle heavy work for you. So let's look behind the scenes how cloud computing works. When a developer uploads their app to the cloud, it's stored and executed on a server. For example, if you build a website, is the website not on your computer, it's on a server on the internet, so everyone can access it every time, everywhere. There are three main types of cloud services. First is IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. You rent servers and networks. For example, Amazon EC2. PaaS, Platform as a Service. You get a platform to run and develop your apps like Google App Engine for Android. SaaS, Software as a Service. You just use the software online, just like Microsoft Word, Gmail or Spotify. So there are many cloud providers, but three of them are the most big and popular. So first, Amazon's Web Services, short AWS. AWS was launched in 2006 by Amazon. It's the largest and most widely used cloud provider in the world. AWS offers hundreds of services. For example, EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for data storage, Lambda for serverless computing, and RDS for databases. Developers like AWS because it's powerful and flexible. It's used by Netflix, Twitch, the NASA and even the CIA. The second is Microsoft Azure. Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform. It's very popular in companies that already uses Microsoft Windows or Office. Azure offers services like virtual machines, Azure functions and Azure SQL databases. It's well integrated with Microsoft tools, so it's often used by businesses and companies who work in corporate environments. The third one is Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud is known for speed, data analysis and AI. It offers virtual machines, cloud storage, BigQuery for data analysis and TensorFlow for AI and machine learning. Companies like Spotify, Snapchat and YouTube use Google Cloud. So to sum up, AWS is the biggest and most flexible, Azure is the best for Microsoft users and Google Cloud Platform is for AI and data. Why do developers use cloud computing? First is the scalability, that means First is the scalability, That means you can start small and grow fast. If your app suddenly has 10,000 users, you don't need to buy new servers. The cloud adjusts it automatically. It's cost efficient. You only need to pay for what you use. You don't have to pay for expensive hardware. Accessibility, you can work from everywhere. You can work from a cafe, you can work from home, you can work from everywhere. As long as you have internet, you can deploy and manage your apps. Security and backup. Cloud providers take care of security, backups and updates. So if your laptop dies, your data is still safe in the cloud. Speed and innovation. You can experiment and test ideas quickly. The cloud makes it easy to create prototypes and try new technologies. Let's look at a few real-world examples. Netflix uses AVS to stream millions of movies at the same time. Spotify uses Google Cloud to recommend music with AI. Microsoft Teams and Office uses Azure. So to sum up, cloud computing has changed how developers work forever. It gives flexibility, power and freedom without needing your own hardware. AWS, Azure and Google Cloud are leading the way, and cloud computing is growing every day. Thank you for listening, I hope you enjoyed it.